I've got a twin tractors here today. We've got VST 929 ESG. And we could start a competition, spot the difference, but they are take the loader off and the tyres off, they're exactly the same. 3-cylinder, Mitsubishi engine. This manufacturer's been in existence since 1911. True pedigree. These tractors have all oil immersed brakes, 3-cylinder. They are rated at 26 horsepower, can be tuned up to 29. Real solid workhorses, not a lightweight gimmick, it's a heavy duty tractor. I'm going to get off now and show you the difference. Before I get off, I just want to point out to you that I'm 6'3", 17.5 stone, and I'm not too tight on this tractor. This tractor's on a bigger platform than its smaller brothers. Really is the ideal tractor. There's a bigger footprint, there's a lot more space between the dashboard and the seat, so it makes it easier for getting on and off. It's a tractor that's completely road legal. We'll just quickly point out the things on this tractor. What we got on this tractor is a 4-in-1 loader. It's got a third service. This tractor's got a jaw, ideal for muck grab. With a third service, you can drive lots of different bits of attachments. This tractor is actually on agricultural tyres. This tractor is £11,800. This tractor, brother, over the way is a 929 EGT VST. It still has the 8 forward gears. It still has the 2 reverse constant mesh gearbox, but it doesn't have the 4-in-1 loader, which makes it a little bit cheaper, but it does have the optional extra on the industrial tyres. Now, if you stand at the front of it, this makes this tractor a lot wider, which means that when you're using the loader, it's probably a lot more stable because you've got this amount sticking out of the side, ideal for working off concrete and hard surfaces. They'd be far more durable than what an agricultural tyres would be. These tractors are built by a manufacturer since 1911. They started off with walk-behind tractors. I really am pleased to be an agent for VST because they are Indian-built, 2 years warranty, true pedigree, and a hard-working bit of kit. This tractor, or these tractors, are both very suitable for working on a country estate, an equestrian yard, a small stock farm, or anything that needs compact power. We've got the options. We can move the tyres over to the 4-in-1 bucket and vice versa. We can even put grass tyres on. These tractors are versatile with minor adaptations, can get your job done. Get your job done efficiently and while still remaining cost effective. Peter Hemming, Hemming Engineering in Broadway, Worcestershire.